Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a tutorial on organizing tasks that will be especially helpful for business people. I will show you how to create a task in Google Calendar and organize your day more easily. To begin, open the Google Calendar app. Then press the plus button in the bottom right corner. Select the Task button. In the Add Title section, enter the name of the task. Next, define the time frame of the task. If it lasts all day, press the toggle button next to the All Day option. If the task requires less time, turn off All Day and press Time. Set the time and press OK. Then click on the date and define it. Set the date when the task should be completed and finished by clicking OK. If desired, you can add more details. Press Add Details and add additional important information about the task. If you click the downward arrow at the top, you can see all the tasks you have for that day, which is useful for planning. When you are done creating the task, save it by clicking Save. Repeat the process every time you add a task. I have added a second task as well. The tasks have been successfully added to my calendar. We believe this tutorial will help you plan and complete your tasks more easily and successfully. If you want more tips, check out other tutorials on our channel and follow us.